How to sew a zipper fly. Start by interfacing the fly and creating the fly shield. Match up the two front pieces and baste through the fly and then sew with a regular stitch. Press the fly flaps open, then fold one side in half. Line up the zipper teeth to the fold and pin in place. Sew using a zipper foot. Fold over the zipper and match up to the other side of the fly. Pin and sew through that one layer of fabric. Next, use a seam ripper to open up your basting stitches, then draw the top stitching line for your fly. Top stitch with a heavy-duty thread. Place the fly shield on top to cover your zipper. Pin into place. Sew on your machine to hold the fly shield. Use a bar tack or a few stitches to hold the fly shield in place. Attach your waistband, add a buttonhole and your button, and your fly is complete.